Alright guys, coming to the end. I'm going to start putting everything back together. But there's the floor. Damn near seamless. I mean, freaking perfect. I gotta still put some stuff back together. Gotta put the fresh water pump, I got it put in. I just gotta connect the tank. The tank is gonna go right here. I just started cleaning all the dust and dirt out of everything. Started taking all the tape off where I matched it off. And obviously scrubbing the boat down. Getting all the dirt out of all the little locations. I'll start putting all the pieces back together now. It's been a little project, but it's good now. So I figured while I had everything out, already pulled out of there, these seats are looking a little rough, a little dingy. Obviously that doesn't look the best. I'll go ahead and clean all this off and we'll have a happy client at the end of the day. But it's easier to clean it off while you got it out. So there's little things you can do to make your job that much nicer. When cleaning stuff like this little guy makes it so much easier. This is actually meant for it takes all that junk right out of there and I don't have to scrub it. Spray it down. It's got enough power. Pretty good motor in it.